Hey everyone, this is Sahil from Life of a Gamer. Today in this video we will talk about Honor Magic 3 Pro. After a long time, Honor is back in the global market with Google. Yeah, now they are an independent brand. They separated with Huawei, so there is no issue about Google. So now you can easily use Google in Honor phones. So they recently launched Honor Magic 3, Honor Magic 3 Pro and Honor Magic 3 Pro Plus. I was invited in a global event of Honor, so I got the chance to experience Honor Magic 3 Pro. So in this video we will talk about that phone and hope you like this video. If you like, please give me a like. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel. Let's talk about the design and display of this phone. The design is very similar to Huawei Mate 40 Pro, but I really like this design. About the display, I really like the display. This is 6.76 inch OLED display, a big phone with 3D curve 89 degree. This is really a big 3D curve and I really like this curve. The bristles are very less and the chin is almost disappeared. They have a dual punch hole. This display also support 120Hz refresh rate, 2772 by 1344 screen resolution. That is really awesome. This display also support HDR10. This phone is also certified with IP68 water and dust resistant. The back of this phone is a glass made. This phone weight is 213 grams and thickness is near 9 mm. They have two variant, glass variant and vegan leather. Black color and white color come with glass back and orange color come with vegan. On the top you can find IR blaster, stereo speaker, noise cancellation. On the left side there is nothing, just screen. On the bottom, stereo speaker, type C charging port and same tray. On right side we have volume key and power on button. This phone doesn't support micro SD card, so you have only two options: 256GB storage and 512GB storage. About the RAM, you will get 8GB RAM and 12GB RAM. So this phone battery is 4600 mAh and it supports 66 watt wired charger, and the wireless charging also supported by 50 watt. This phone also support reverse wireless charging. So about the processor, this phone supports Snapdragon 888 Plus, a recently launched flagship processor from Qualcomm, and is based on 5nm chipset with Adreno 660. It's the overclock version of Snapdragon 888 processor. This phone also comes with along with Android version 11 Magic UI 5. So really a flagship processor, flagship phone. Really I like it. This phone support high refresh rate. You will get three options in the refresh rate. You can see like you will get 60 Hz, 90 Hz and 120 Hz. So it's really awesome. About the camera, this phone comes with 50 megapixel Sony IMX766 OIS support, 64 megapixel monochrome, 13 megapixel ultra wide and 64 megapixel telephoto, which support 3.5x optical zoom and 100x digital zoom. So the camera setup is really a beast camera setup. I think the camera is really awesome. Hopefully I get a chance to review the camera also. I tried 100x and I think the performance is really good. I tried 100x near the Burj Khalifa and you can see the performance. The lens was moving a lot, but I think the clarity is really good. I will try to give you a camera review as soon as possible when I get this phone. Hopefully the company will provide me. Honor this time partnership with IMX Enhance, which really improved the performance of video and audio. About the front camera, this phone support 13 megapixel ultra wide f2.4 aperture and a TOF 3D lens. You can see I click some pictures there. I found a little beauty mode, but the pictures are really good. I love this display. Now let's talk about the battery. The phone gave 4600 mAh battery with 66 watt wired charger and 50 watt wireless charging, and it also supports reverse wireless charging. About the price and availability, this phone launched in Europe and in China on 12th of August. So in China this price is 6,000 yuan, which is 926 US dollars, but in Europe this phone launched with 1099 euros, which is 1300 US dollar. Most probably in other countries the price will be lesser than Europe because Europe have more taxes. So about my first impression about this phone, I really impressed with Honor Magic 3 Pro. The flagship processor, the awesome display and the beast camera. So the phone is really worth to buy this one, and it's a great competition to another competitor. Hopefully I will give you a full review as soon as possible. And in this video, if you want to ask something about this phone, you can comment me. If you like this video, please give me a like. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Let's meet in the next video. See you then. Take care.